Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to delete records from the database using NamedParameterJdbcTemplate in Spring Boot. Let's dive right in. Alright everyone, on my screen you can see our employee service class and the delete employee method. Previously, we were calling the delete operation from employee Jdbc repository using JDBC But now, we're switching to NamedParameterJdbcTemplate. Now let's open our employee Jdbc repository class. Here, in the delete employee method, we're creating our delete query and executing it using JDBCTemplate. I'm going to copy this entire method, just like it is, and paste it into our employee named JDBC repository class. Alright everyone, now let's take a look at our delete query. Previously, we used a question mark for the employee ID parameter. But since we're switching to NamedParameterJdbcTemplate, we're going to change this to use a named parameter. I'm updating it to :employee ID. Now we need to tell Spring what value to use for our named parameter :employee ID. To do that, we'll create a map-SQL parameter source object and add the employee ID value to it. Now we're ready to execute our delete query using NamedParameterJdbcTemplate. Call the update method on our NamedParameterJdbcTemplate. And we pass in two things. First, our SQL query. And next, our map-SQL parameter source object that holds all our parameter values. And that's it, our delete code is complete. Now let's start the application. Now let's switch over to Postman. Okay guys, so now I'm going to delete employee with ID 13, but before that, let's first confirm it's actually in our database. And yes, we got the response, employee exists. Cool, now let's go ahead. Calling the delete API. And done. Yes, we got a 204 no content response code. That means the delete was successful. Let's quickly verify it, hitting the get API again for employee ID 13. See right here on the screen, we got the message, employee not found. That confirms it, employee ID 13 has been deleted successfully from our database. Alright, that wraps up today's video where we learned how to delete employee records using NamedParameterJdbcTemplate, clean and efficient. In the next video, we're diving into something super useful for performance, how to insert or update in batches using NamedParameterJdbcTemplate. So make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.